Changing your plan on Xfinity Stream can help you better align your subscription with your viewing needs. Follow these steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Xfinity website or open the Xfinity Stream app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SR to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select your current plan. In the account settings, find the section that displays your current subscription plan. Click on it to view details and available options. Step 4. Choose a new plan. Browse through the available plans and select the one that best suits your needs. Make sure to review the features and pricing before making a decision. Step 5. Confirm your changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. Review any additional information and finalize the process. By following these steps, you can successfully change your plan on Xfinity Stream. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Xfinity customer support for assistance.